Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. I'm your host, as always, Pio Matwane.
You're Pio Matwane. Oh, okay, I'm Pio didn't know that. But I learn everything. Something new everything. So, anyways, please subscribe and like our content so that you don't miss a thing.
It's free.
It's free to subscribe.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, first.
Mapiwana, this episode of Mfethu Vandag, we are talking about Samkelo Zwane.
Yes.
Then Samkelo Zwane, Kaizer Chiefs has decided to loan him out again.
Loan him or sell him?
In fact, to sell him.
They can even sell him.
Yeah, because of they've been loaning this boy for a very long time. This boy has never came and played like full season because of whenever he comes, I don't know, maybe shooting or something, or Chiefs is not interested, or maybe Chiefs has those players. But whatever Chiefs that is doing with the boy, Chiefs has decided to sell him
or loan him. He's definitely going to be away from Chiefs probably this season.
Yeah, he's going to be away because of even last season he was away from Kaizer Chiefs and he was not being played as well. So I don't know. And Kaizer Chiefs is bringing Ulukuz, Abraham Barnes to play in that position. So meaning, and Abraham Barnes is also another central midfield. So meaning we're going to have 3 central midfielders. Oh, it's 2.
Yes, I get you.
It's 3.
Oh, Fernando fully central midfield. Let's give him what he wants.
But he has Wadolf, he has Ulukuz, he has who's this? Lebogang Boy, and also this one. No, Mthethwa.
But I need abanye badlala as 8.
Abanye badlala is sama 8, but we know I'm talking about the ones abadlala center straight.
Yeah, it's a double pivot. So omunye banokumdlalisa phambili, omunye bamdlalisa emuva, omunye bamdlalisa phambili. So maybe 4 it's not a big number, my guy. You are playing it's Kaizer Chiefs and you need competition and you're playing a lot of games. So if you find that udlala abayi-2 base oyi-1 usebench, oyi-1 usemastandard, kulimala oyi-1, then now uselling a 2, so selling a 3, oyi-1 usebench. So it's not a lot.
It's not a lot.
You actually need 4 players for one position so that they can be healthy competition. Yeah,
man, 3 is better, my partner. And 4.
No, but that's not 4 for one position. I'm just saying. Yeah. I'm not saying that there's 4 central midfielders.
No, I'm saying you are saying we need 4 just to keep the competition to be alive and stuff like that. Because of you can check some of these players. They were so relaxed. They were like, hey, "This is my position. No one's going to take away from me."
So how many you want? 3?
And I think 3 is perfect.
I want 4. You play this guy during the game. He's not performing well. You have a replacement that's almost as good or better than him. Mfaka, Lawyer Pum. Then labantu laba bakhathele during the season. Now you need to refresh your squad. We lecture these ones that were not playing. But maybe boloku badlala ama-Nedbank, badlala ama-Black Label, badlala in. I-partnership yam nawe, i-partnership kaSpanban. That's how it is. But on the issue of Samkelo Zwane, the boy did not really. I think these boys, they don't take their soccer serious.
True.
They taking photos,
fashion,
taking photos serious, fashion, being nice. There's nothing wrong about that. As long as you do the business on the pitch. You can't be a model. Either you are a model or you are a soccer player.
Can be both.
Well, my guy, people that are both, they became models because they were soccer players first. Linda Mtambo, Cristiano Ronaldo, Katsanda, Sugar. Aria, Katsanda. So you become, your soccer is the one that gives you other avenues. It makes you a brand. It gives you brand deals. It gives you a lot of things. But you can't, if you are failing in the primary source of income, then you are failing. You need to be able to maximize on your talent. So I'm not saying that he's not maximizing on his talent. But as far as now, masivuma ukuthi hayi he did not ubonisile some glimpse of potential, but he did not rise to the occasion where we want him to quit.
Yeah, definitely.
Ibrahim Barnes, what's your thought on him?
Mapuana, you tell me first your thoughts regarding him.
I caught you off guard. Ibrahim Barnes, the 21-year-old in inverted commas. 21 in inverted commas. He's from Burkina Faso, central midfield, as you said. He played very well. Gumarumo Kalans, he's a good player. He can be better than Samkelo Zwane. That's the thing stress cool. That makes me not to sleep at night. Samkelo Zwane nomfundo Vilakazi. Umfundo Vilakazi udlala a position where he's going to have somebody his age. Bekungcono if bekahlalisa ebenchini uXolile Lepo ngoba une-experience umdala kunaye. Now imagine uzohlaliswa ebenchini intanga yakhe. This is the same thing as Samkelo Zwane. What does that make you feel? How does that make you feel? So before you comment and we close the video, please like and give us your comment below,
please,
and subscribe. Please. What is your thoughts?
Okay, I'm just hoping that because of sometimes in a team you can perform very well in your own team. When you come to Kaizer Chiefs is a very big team, you know, and there's always pressure, you know. And last time I was talking to, there was a guy that I was talking to. He came and paid me a visit. He said, "Do you know if you go to the stadium, the booing, my man, that thing is very discouraging, more especially when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs players. Kaizer Chiefs players, they will boo you to a point of good team in the next 15 minutes. Fans. So I said, what?
Players.
Sorry, fans. They'll boo you, hey, keep. And if you can check the stadium, all I do is and you can actually hear it. So I don't know, Gucci, if this guy, hopefully he's ready for him to play for such a big team and to be able to be booed.
Why do we pay you the big bucks? Why do we pay you so much money? Why do we pay you so much money? We pay you the big bucks so that you can be strong psychologically and mentally. Coming to Kaizer Chiefs is not like playing for Black Poison in the street, or playing for PJ Stars or playing for Kalaka, like others one. Playing for Kaizer Chiefs, you are coming to a place, mawufika bakunikeza into ekiya yonke ibag for you to give even to abantwana bakini, not only for you. Ubunikeza abantu bakunikeza ibag engako. You must listen to Thusopala makakhuluma that time esasponzwa yiNike. Bakususa labo uhlala khona bayokubeka eWinchester entabeni. They get you a transport. You are almost like a president. You are going to get uLangelihle Phili is going to get right now not less than 300,000 or 250,000 is signing on fee. Yokala. And I'm even wrong. Maybe 300,000. Ucholo signing on fee is 1.5 million. But okay, we can't give you yonke ngesikhathi esiwani sokunikeza 500,000. If you were getting, you are unemployed and you got a job that gives you 5,000. You're unemployed. Mara supervisor you know that I was not working. Now at least I'm working. I'm going to. Well, you are being told by people that you don't know. You not. You hear goodbye talk about you. How is that going to affect you? You need to be strong mentally and know why you are there. For sure. So if you are not strong, it's going to get to you. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be human, but you are professional. I think more than you hear them, but if you are a professional, you know that I'm here for the job. That's my point of view. And you're playing for Chiefs, né?
I mean, it's something he was talking about there that they were doing Google Cross. You know, I think 2024 or somewhere there. So 2024, 2025, they were doing Bradley Cross.
The defender.
Yeah, the defender.
Look at how is he now.
And look at him now.
Has he been improved?
Yo, yes, improved.
What killed the Priest is that the same thing. He was good. When he started Chiefs, he wasn't so bad. Then after, when he missed those chances, then like of course he's gonna come to you, I'm told. Then now when you are in front of the post now, but you need to a team like Chiefs, I believe there are people that talk to you, I mean.
That's true, because of you look at Abo Mayo when he scored, he was like So meaning it's like Nkuluma too much, man.
Hey,
Or he said this, or he said.
I can't remember, but he was telling them Tulani, something like that.
Yeah. So you understand what I'm talking about. These things they get to you. So hopefully they're not gonna get to him, and he's gonna perform
These
10
boys,
times better.
they are young. When you deal with a 20-year-old, you're dealing with a 20-year-old.
You think in the stadium they care what you are dealing with a
I'm not
20-year-old.
talking about the stadium. I'm talking about an individual player who's 20. But not all 20 years old are the same.
Yeah.
When abafana abana 20, mhlambe immaturity yabo it's way higher, maybe even than us. Uyangithola? But you can see with okay, older 20, somehow his true nature will be exposed. Uyangithola? I'm saying to you, there's a certain profile of player that you need for Kaizer Chiefs.
Definitely.
That guy must be emotionally intelligent, must be emotionally strong. You can't go to play for Chiefs and you are not emotionally strong. You're going to cry every day. Because when you play for Chiefs, you are expected to win every game.
My man.
You understand? You understand that you're expected to win every game. Anyways, let's close the video. Please like the video and subscribe. This is Kaizer Chiefs Z2 Network.
Love and peace.
Tango.